Are companies wasting time searching, fixing, or redoing work? That gap isn't effort, it's flow. We call it Value Stream Analysis, VSA. It's a lean method used to find inefficiency, waste, and unnecessary cost across your value stream. Value stream is everything needed to take a product or service from the first request to value for the customer. VSA goes beyond a basic process map because it shows material and information flow across the whole chain. And it uses real metrics: lead time, cycle time, throughput.
Retail transformation isn't a slide deck. It's measurable performance on the floor in the warehouse every day.
The result: fewer bottlenecks, less waiting, fewer defects, less excess inventory, and a smoother operation. VSA isn't a diagram. It's how you fix flow end to end